Good morning, Figaholic friends. I'm out of the main orchard now, and this is the second spot that I planted fig trees. When it was a hobby, I planted some near my home. First I had 3, then I had about 10, and I ran out of room there, so I had this spot along my driveway and I planted some. And then when things started getting out of hand, I guess, I started planting that main orchard. Anyway, this here is a variety called Sequoia, and it's a bit of a political story here, unfortunately. Politics get involved in figs sometimes, and as I understand this story, anyway, what was told to me, actually by the person that did the breeding here, Jim Doyle, that the California Growers Association had paid the UC system to develop some common type figs that were good alternatives to the Calimyrna, or formerly called Serralop in Turkey, that is grown for drying in California. And they came up with 2 varieties, Sequoia and Sierra, and we'll do Sierra next. And the UC system patented Sequoia, and fig growers weren't too happy about that. They didn't want to have to pay royalties for something that they had paid to be developed, which is understandable, I guess, but I guess it's a common practice. Anyway, there was a push to the growers to say, don't even plant any of the Sequoia. We're not going to pay UC any royalties, so plant Sierra instead. Sierra was not patented. Sequoia was considered a better fig because it produced a breba crop as well as a main crop. Both are suitable for fresh market, but the main crop also is suitable for drying. So anyway, that's a long story. Sorry for that, but I don't sell Sequoia as a result of it being patented. I don't have a contract with the UC system to pay royalties to them. Maybe I could, but I don't think I would sell enough to justify that. But here's a good sized fig. It's a large fig, small eye. Specifically, it was bred to be a good fig for either fresh market or drying. This one's a bit overripe. Not sour though. Maybe just slightly sour. I haven't been picking these. It's been so busy in the main orchard that I haven't done this row here. This one might not quite be ripe. No, this is nice here. So, I'm pretty sure that this fig was caprified, so it's red. Without it, it would be an amber color. I would say this fig is moderately sweet. Let me have a taste again. I would say a mild berry flavor and moderately to very sweet. Quite juicy, jammy. Just let me get in the sun a little bit more here. Again, it's a good, productive tree too. I don't prune this much as I don't sell cuttings. Actually, my main pruning here is to get it back away from my driveway so I don't need to drive off in the dirt. It's gotten to be a big tree. I need to prune it way back. Again, this is Sequoia, a patented variety. Thanks for watching.